Hi believers, this is Amit from Waya team, and I'm here to provide a weekly bite and the road ahead in the markets. Last week, Nifty recorded a fresh high of 23,490, but subsequently settled into a narrow range with volatility diminishing post-election results. Both the Nifty and the Bank Nifty ended the week with gains of 0.3%. Additionally, the mid-cap and the small-cap indices achieved impressive gains of nearly 4%. Our markets have continued to rise, reaching new highs, as the election outcomes have been completely digested. The proof of policy continuity and a stable government has boosted investors' confidence. In this rally, FIIs covered many of their short positions and added fresh longs, resulting in upward momentum. Investors' confidence in political stability is leading to positive momentum in sectors like defense, shipbuilding, real estate, infrastructure, and capital goods. In the coming week, Nifty could rally towards 24,000. On the downside, the immediate support is 23,200. Let's discuss two interesting sectors that we have been observing traction. First one is housing and housing finance. In its first decision, Modi 3.0 cabinet gave nod for building 3 crore additional rural and urban houses under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, with the total allocation of Rs 80,000 crore for FY25. This policy support will create growth opportunities for housing finance companies. The affordable housing segment, characterized by smaller loan ticket sizes up to Rs 15 lakh, is particularly well positioned and is the fastest growing sub-segment for housing finance companies. According to CARE ratings, this niche segment is expected to grow at an annual rate of around 30% in FY24-25. Stocks like the newly listed Aadhar Housing Finance and Home First Finance could offer good returns in the future. Second sector is the chemical sector, which had tough time in the last few years due to rising input prices, poor demand, limited pricing power, and destocking in China market. Most stocks in the chemical sector have been underperforming compared to the broader Nifty 50 index since FY23. However, recent Q4 results indicate signs of improving demand. In Q4 of FY24, the company saw the highest ever exports of chemicals, and the strong chemical exports continued into May. Meanwhile, the crude oil prices have softened in FY25 so far, which is likely to lead the lower input cost and improved margins for the chemical firms. This trend is expected to bolster the margins of businesses in the chemical sector. Investors should keep an eye on stocks like Vinati Organics, Aarti Industries, and Supriya Life Sciences. Supriya is also a Waya call. Coming to the news from Indian economy, the Consumer Price Index (CPI) inflation for May 2024 eased to 4.75%, down from 4.83% in April 2024. Additionally, the Index of Industrial Production (IIP) grew to 5% in April 2024 compared to 4.6% in April 2023. This data suggests a balanced growth and inflation equation, which may provide the RBI with the confidence to consider rate cuts in the near future. Now, summarizing today's update, sectors such as power, capital goods, travel and tourism, and real estate continue to show strong potential. Data indicators suggest that the economy is in good shape. All eyes are on budget to be presented in July. Traders are advised to look for stock-specific opportunities as many stocks have seen sharp increases. Trading with positive bias is recommended. That's all for today. Wishing you a happy trading week ahead.